rid of that. Hi, Ken here at Waters Garden Center. We're in the shady section, plants that love to grow in more protected areas in the garden. They don't like as much sun, so hollies, yews are one that I plant quite a bit on the north side of my house. This is an evergreen. This is what it looks like midwinter. It gets even brighter with the new growth. It's a bright Kelly green. Then it matures to this thicker branch structure. It's actually a conifer. It's related to pine trees of all things, but very robust. It'll actually, after it's done blooming, we'll put on a little red berry that's cute as can be. It stays like this and gets up to about, knee high or so, and then spreads like 10 feet wide. They also make one that grows just 3 feet wide and 10 feet high. So you can pick the yew that works for you, but spreading yew on those dark areas in between the pine trees, shaded boulders. This one's a great evergreen, and the benefit? Elk, deer, rabbits, javelina. They leave this alone. They do not like the taste of yews in your backyard. Remember, Ken at Waters Garden Center, like and subscribe if you like the advice you're getting from this channel.